We're pleased you have chosen AT&T for your new AT&T Virtual Private Network. Now that your service has been turned up, this final video in our series will explain the resources available to you should any performance issues arise with the service or if you need to make changes. Our goal is for you to have an exceptional experience that extends beyond the installation. After the technician successfully completes the test and turn up of your new service, it will show active in the AT&T systems the next business day. You will receive an email detailing the completion of the installation. After that, you will be contacted by your AT&T Service Delivery Rep to schedule LAN migration, AVPN data, or voice service activation. This will be the event when you will have your existing service outage for about 30 minutes until your local area network is migrated to the new circuit. We recommend to schedule LAN migration at least 48 hours after successful router installation so we can make sure that the router is 100% ready and the circuit is not experiencing any errors. Prior to scheduled LAN migration, you will also be contacted by our AT&T lead engineer to discuss proper LAN migration and configuration details. This will be applied on the router during the scheduled event. If you have any questions about your order, billing, or technical issues, you should contact AT&T Business Center at 1-866-287-6288 and follow the prompts. With regards to your bill, it will typically be sent to you monthly. Questions that might arise as you review your bill should be directed to the AT&T Business Center, or you can always reach out to your AT&T sales representative. If you experience any service or performance issues within your service, please again contact the AT&T Business Center. This time, option 2 and then 1 for technical assistance. Or if more convenient, you can open a trouble ticket using express ticketing. Just go to att.com/express ticketing and follow the step-by-step instructions found there. If you choose to use the express ticketing tool, you are able to escalate the issues just 2 hours after submitting through just the click of a button. As we know, the only constant for business is change. At some point, you will inevitably need changes made to your service to accommodate the needs of your business. In that case, please contact your AT&T account representative at 1-800-321-2000 to place an order. We hope you have found this information helpful in understanding the resources available to you to support your new AT&T service after installation. Your complete satisfaction is what we want above all else. We value your business and thank you for it.